At Aram Dining, our service sequence is designed to create a seamless and memorable dining experience, blending precision with warm hospitality. From the moment guests arrive, they are welcomed with genuine attentiveness, guided through our curated menu, and served with impeccable timing. Every detail from table settings to personalized recommendations is thoughtfully executed to ensure comfort and enjoyment. Our approach balances elegance with approachability, ensuring that each interaction enhances the overall experience. With a commitment to excellence, our team anticipates guest needs, making every visit to Aram Dining an unforgettable culinary journey.
Members: Agorelia Maria Cristina A. as guest and Elona General M. as receptionist. Welcome guests.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Aram Dining. We're delighted to have you here. Do you have any reservation with us today?
Yes, under Maria Cristina May A. Agorelia, please.
Let me check the reservation list first. Oh, I see the reservation there too. Welcome, Mr. Agorelia. We're delighted to have you here. We prepare a lovely table for you. Please follow me.
Escort the table.
Have you dined with us before?
No, this is my first time.
That's exciting. We take great pride in our menu and services, and I'd be happy to guide you through some of our best dishes. Here is your table. Please make yourself comfortable. Would you prefer a seat facing the dining area or something more private?
I would like some privacy.
Introduce yourself and present menus.
My name is Gina. I'll be the one who will take care of you. It is my pleasure to meet you, ma'am. And here is our menu. At our menu, we have a variety of dishes that cater different tastes. Our chef has also prepared some wonderful special dishes today. Would you like me to walk you through them?
Sure, that would be great.
Perfect. Today's special include our signature dish, which is the seafood marinara pasta, which is a guest favorite. And we also have seasonal dishes. You will see in our menu. It is made from freshness ingredients. And if you have any dietary preference or allergies, please let me know. And I'll be happy to assist you with your recommendations.
That sounds good. I will take a look at the menu.
Absolutely. Take your time, ma'am, and I will be back shortly to serve you water and answer any question you may have.
Serving water.
Here is our refreshing water. Would you prefer sparkling or still?
Still is fine. Thank you.
I'll keep an eye on your glasses and refill them as much as you need.
Take the order.
Have you had a chance to decide your order, or would you like any recommendation?
Yes, I think I'm ready.
Great. What would you like to start with?
For my main dish, I would like to choose seafood marinara pasta, please.
Okay, for your dish is the seafood marinara pasta. It is an excellent choice. Okay, for your dish, the seafood marinara pasta, it is a great option. Would you like to pair it with side or appetizer?
I would like to choose an appetizer and I would take garlic bread, please.
Okay, to confirm your order, the seafood marinara pasta for main dish and for appetizer is garlic bread. Does everything sound correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. And would you like anything to drink? We have an extensive selection of wines, cocktails, and non-alcoholic beverage.
I would like to choose a red wine, please.
Excellent choice. I'll bring that to you shortly.
Place orders to system.
Check satisfaction.
How is everything so far? Is the meal alright?
Yes, it's good and the food is good.
I'm so happy to hear that. If you have anything you needed, just let me know. Would you like me to serve the red wine now?
Yes.
Okay, for a moment. Here is our red wine made here with Red Moscato in California. I will serve it now. Enjoy.
Clearing and crumbling.
May I clean your plate? Would you like to finish your meal with a coffee or dessert?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's alright. Just ask me if you drink anything else.
Presenting the bill.
Would you like me to bring the bill now or would you like to relax a bit longer?
I'm ready for dinner.
Okay, here you go. You can pay by cash, card, or mobile payment. I'll be right here if you need anything else.
Here's the bill.
Thank you so much for dining with us today. It was a truly pleasure serving you.
Bid farewell and thanking the guests.
The food and service is excellent. I had a great time.
That makes me so happy to hear. We'd like to welcome you back again soon. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for dining at our room. We look forward to creating more memorable moments with you soon.